Namaskar, Khusro Bitiya, myself Jevin Dr. Pramila Kazla, Assistant Professor in Department of Physiology and Biochemistry, Faculty of Homeopathic Science from Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Today our topic is epilepsy. Epilepsy is a brain disorder characterized by convulsive seizure or loss of consciousness or both. Type of epilepsy is divided into two categories: generalized and localized epilepsy. Generalized epilepsy. Generalized epilepsy is the type of epilepsy that occurs due to excessive discharge of impulse from all parts of brain. It is also called general onset seizure or general onset epilepsy. Generalized epilepsy is subdivided into three types: grand mal, petit mal, and psychomotor epilepsy. Grand mal is characterized by sudden loss of consciousness followed by convulsion. Just before the onset of convulsion, the person feels the warning sensation in the form of some hallucination. It is also called epileptic aura. Convulsions occur in two stages: tonic and clonic stage. Tonic stage. Initially, seizure is characterized by tonic contraction of muscle leading to spasm. Spasm causes twisting facial features, flexion of arm, and extension of lower limb. Clonic stage develop after the tonic stage. This stage is characterized by violent jerky movement of limb and face due to alternate severe contraction and relaxation of muscles. At the end of fatigue, alternative tonic and clonic convulsion are seen. During the entire period of seizure, tongue may be bitten. EEG shows fast wave with a frequency of 50 to 30% during tonic stage. Slow and large wave appear during clonic phase. After the attack, the slow wave are recorded for some time. In between seizure, EEG show delta wave in all type of epileptics. Petit mal. In this type of epilepsy, the person becomes unconscious suddenly without any warning. The unconscious lasts for a very short period of 3 to 30 seconds. Convulsions don't occur. However, the muscle of face so twitch like contractions and there is blinking of eyes. Afterward, the person recover automatically and become normal. Frequency of attack may be once in many months or many attack may appear in rapid series. It usually occur in late childhood and disappear completely at the age of 30 or above. Easy recording so slow and large wave during the attack. Each wave is followed by a sharp spike. This type of wave appear from recording over any part of cerebral cortex indicating the involvement of whole brain. Delta wave appear in between the seizures. Psychomotor epilepsy. Psychomotor epilepsy is characterized by emotional outbursts such as abnormal rage, sudden anxiety, fear, or discomfort. There is amnesia or a confused mental state of some period. Some person have the tendency to attack other bodily or rub their own face vigorously. In most cases, the person are not aware of their activity. Some persons are very well aware of the actions, but still the abnormal action cannot be controlled. Easy recording show slow frequency rectangular wave ranging between 2 to 4 per second. Localized epilepsy. Epilepsy that occur because of excessive discharge of impulse from one part of brain is called localized epilepsy. It is otherwise known as local or focal epilepsy or local seizure. It involves only localized area of cerebral cortex or deeper part of cerebellum which are affected by tumor, abscess or vascular defect. The abnormalities start from a particular area and spread to adjacent area, developing slow spreading muscular contraction. Usually start in mouth region and spread down the towards the legs. This type of seizure also known as Jacksonian epilepsy, cause of localized epilepsy is caused by brain tumor. This session is powered by digital version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. I hope you are satisfied with my discussion. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.